Good morning vlog. Really, it's the afternoon. It's 12:45. We just went grocery shopping for tonight's dinner. We're in the car and we're headed back to my dad's house.
Oh, it's your dad's house now.
Well, bro, I pay for my own place now. It's our family's house. Is that better?
No, I like it at my house.
Okay. Just like my apartment's my apartment.
But I used to say my house and you'd get mad at me.
Well, because I still lived under the roof.
Well, it doesn't make it your house.
Yeah, it does. It's a family's house.
Well, I'm the only one who lived there, so there's not a family house anymore. That's not true. I do have all of your animals.
Anyways, we're just chilling today till we eat duck. And my grandparents come in tonight. Anything you want to say to the vlog?
To the vlog?
Yeah. To the people of the world?
The world, that might be a stretch. I mean, you got a lot, but the world?
Yes, one day the world will be watching these.
Well, then you better keep that fucking camera way up.
Okay, anything you want to say?
I think I've said it.
All right. Oh no.
Just chuck that baby on the ground.
Oh no.
I don't even know how to feather that damn thing.
Oh no. He said just pull the feather. No, don't take it out. Just R.I.P. Let's bury it in the. Oh, and it's poor thing.
I got it right in the head.
It's been dead. I don't know what you mean.
Where'd you buy that?
I didn't.
The guy just like,
No,
hey.
the dude Dominic went out and shot him. And so his grandfather gave me. But he told me last night, I'm like, is that thing clean? He's like, yeah, I don't know. It's all cleaned up.
Maybe the blood. Oh, you better watch the YouTube video. Oh.
Are you going to start making your stuff without grandma?
No, I'm gonna try the duck first. I'm just starting the vlog so I don't forget to start it before we start cooking.
It's super salty. I'm just letting you know.
Okay. Good morning vlog. It is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. I hope you had a great feast. Comment down below what your favorite meal was. Let's try this duck my dad made. First time making duck.
Talking and laughing when you were doing your vlog.
They can hear me.
Oh.
Why is it so red?
It's not red. It's cooked fully. I want to dry out the meat. Hey, stick a fork in it so you. Well, don't keep dipping it in salt.
I'm not. I had to pick it up. This is what it looks like.
It's salty.
Well, it's not bad. It's all I can picture is that duck laying right here on the counter while I'm chewing.
Yeah, well, I don't think you look at the cow with that. That's hey, you little crap. Leave your brother alone.
Because I've never had to see a cow laying right in front of me with its eyes closed.
You saw a pig head laying right in front of you.
I didn't see the bullet hole. No, I didn't think it was that salty.
Yeah, you and Nicole have a different level of salt taste.
This is in the vlog.
All right, one little nubby.
She's trying the...
Just one little. Ew.
That is such a
Sounds
small...
like a-
It's hard to think about this. This could be Daffy Duck.
Or Donald.
Or Daisy. Don't eat duck. Oh, it's in my teeth. Oh!
Oh!
I'll have some onions.
So it's confirmed.
It's
Grammy
gross.
doesn't like duck.
What did you not like about it?
Ew! Salt is the only thing I liked about it.
Grandpa, come try it.
That is bad.
Go try a little piece.
I've learned a thing or two over my decades.
I will not go out.
Yeah, we can do
Yeah,
it.
but we
That's
had.
why I bought you 4 cans.
Well, that's why we had it. I'll get back to you when we're almost done with the mashed potatoes. This is where the secret happens, and I'm not sharing that. Yum! My grandpa can't touch it. We did good.
We did good.
We did good.
I'm your sous chef.
Good morning, little bro. Mashed potatoes. Aww.
An old man's butt or something.
Worse in January.
For what?
Okay, I went to one Thanksgiving. Now I'm home at my Thanksgiving.
Okay.
Looking
And then we need.
You can't. That's not fair. You have to eat dinner with it.
You can't just have daily specialty.
Is that a kicker jar?
Yeah.
Yeah.